Hello again guys, welcome back to another episode of 4K Garage. As you can see, the 86 has now gone off to its wrap, and with that, there's not a huge amount to do. But the main thing really I need to get done is the work on the diffuser. So the plan with that is to get it all sorted, get it filled, primered, smoothed out, shaped, sprayed, and up to the wrap company so that when the wrap is completed in a week and a bit, the car is all in one piece. And other than that, I've just got some little bits and bobs. I want to clean up the old lights, sell those, potentially clean up the old bumper, but I'm probably not going to include that in any of the videos. So let me show you what I've got going on with the diffuser and tell you the plans for it. So here's the first layer of filler all sanded back, and you can see here it's got rid of all the high points and revealed all the low spots. So before we go into primer, I'm going to do another layer of filler and sand that back. You can also see kind of the bits I'm having to work with now. So you can see that the slope there is a lot steeper than the one here, so I need to obviously either sand that back a bit or build that one up or vice versa. I just need to work it. It's a simple case of just having to work it and keep at it really. Let's apply the next layer of filler. So as you've just seen, I've been applying more filler, sanding it back, and here's where we are now. That's all built up there. It's been built up there. And now it's just trying to find the shape that I'm looking for. Also get rid of some of these lumpy bits where some loose resin might have dripped down. But it's looking really good. Now the plan with it is to take it to a friend of mine who does some spraying, get him to spray it gloss black. But what I might even do, which kind of takes some of the work off me, but also might mean less content for you guys, is I might let him finish up the filler, primer and so on. Yeah, he'd like to apply the last bit of filler so it doesn't react to any of his paint, use products that he knows work together and so on. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. Probably going to take a few pictures of it now, send it over to him, see if he's happy to work with it as it is. Go from there really. So it might be the last time we see it in any kind of in progress step. We might just see it when it gets back. Here we go. So like I said, this is probably going to be the last time we see it now before it goes off to just be finished up, prepped and painted. But I'm quite pleased with how it's turned out. It's pretty well in there. It's pretty nice and smooth now. There's a couple of dips, but like I said, I think what we'll do is we'll leave that for the painter to use his preferred type of filler. Smooth that back. We've got the nice contours coming off the sides of the lights and around the V area here. Looking pretty good overall, really. The light goes in, works absolutely fine. And here we are, here's the diffuser back. Looking absolutely fantastic. Just excellent gloss finish. Comes up really nice in the lights above. And As I said, the transition around the V light is super smooth. There's me. Hello. Could never really tell it was grafted in there. Apparently the guys had quite a lot of issues with this, truthfully. The filler work and a lot of the fiberglass work I did reacted to their paint quite badly. But I think that's just one of those things, of course, when you're a painter for a living, you'd like to do stuff from start to finish rather than pick up someone else's half-complete job and finish it off. I'm sure anyone that does painting for a living can agree with that statement. But still, they battled through, came out really, really well. I'm really pleased with it. Let's get that light in, shall we? And here it is with the lighting, looking absolutely resplendent. Really like how the red V stands out in the gloss black. I think it's going to look fantastic on the car. Going to really finish it all off. And that's how it looks from behind. Just glowing red, exhaust tip to one side, bugger all on the other side. And I drilled a couple of holes in it down here to mount the splitter support rods that came with the kit, just to make this centre section a bit more stable under the car. I wasn't going to be using them otherwise, so I thought, why not? There's nothing mounting it there, so it does get a bit flimsy. I'd rather it not kind of bounce around, crack or anything like that, so good solid mounting all round. Should really set it off. Right, that's it for this episode again, guys. Just a little one, just finishing off the diffuser, filling that, sanding it, and so on, getting it painted. I think it turned out absolutely fantastic. I'm really pleased to have had this idea in mind even before I got the kit and followed it through, and it came out really well. If you guys live in the local area at all, South of England, around the Sussex area, you need any paintwork done, I'll put the guys, the two Bens, painted this for me, put their Instagram tags here, and you can contact them if you need any paintwork done. They do fantastic work. I'm going to take another trip over to Monster Wraps in Southampton, get this dropped off to them. And that way, when they're done with the car is absolutely complete, all in one piece, and looking its best. So next time you'll see the diffuser will be on the car when it's all done, which is coming out incredible, I have to say. Tell you what, here's a little teaser of how it's looking. Wow, right? Cannot wait to see it in person. Not to mention in the sun, that wrap is really going to sparkle and pop when the sunlight hits it. Really looking forward to that. But anyway, that's all for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Stay tuned for more good YouTube stuff. Leave a comment, like and subscribe. Until the next one, have a good one. See you then. Cheers. Bye-bye.